Make a million mistakes. Just quit wasting your energy making the same mistakes. You have to make a decision that I will learn from this thing. I've resolved in my spirit, in my heart, that every experience is my education. Experiences is education. So the good experiences and the bad experiences, I'm going to learn from that, and I'm going to discover the opportunity for me to grow and for me to get better. I'm telling you, I've already made up my mind that I know I will fall down. I know that I will stumble, but I already see myself getting back up. Therefore, I'm never down. I'm either up or getting back up.
Ruel, stop playing. I ain't gonna cry too long. I'm back on my drip.